Plug it in, Joe. We'll see what happens.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Kriesler Newscaster. Thanks for your comments. Hams101, Ken, the Master, yeah, saying don't scrap it. So I'm not going to scrap it. And I had a feeling in my guts that I shouldn't really scrap it anyway. But yeah, so I don't know why I thought that. Anyway, I've done the recapping in the last half hour, and it's all looking good. And so far I've changed one resistor that I bothered to check, which is way at the top there. And the radio, she's working really, really well. Now I still have some issues. I've got to look at that tuning gain, and I know the vanes are touching when it's fully meshed and fully closed. So I'm going to try and just leave them out a little bit. But there we go, I'm getting the ABC now, which I wasn't in the past, well yesterday anyway. So let's have a look through. Yeah, some Asian station. Oh yeah? Just going up to the high end of the band. That's good. Try and get the ABC again. Bit of crackling on that tuning gang. I think it's a tuning gang. But anyway, I'm going to measure the resistors, the rest of them, see if they're in spec, change any that aren't, and after that, I've got to look at here's some of the things I found in it, and I'll just bring the camera up. So this is attached to the ferrite rod, and clearly this thing's just come off the bracket and just holds the back of the case on. So that I'll rivet that back in, and then I'm going to have to work out the aerial wire for the extension aerial. And I mean, the ferrite's okay, but I might actually just run an alligator clip and thread it through the back somewhere. I think that'd just be easier. So yeah, look, I'll just continue, and once once I've checked it all out with the resistors, etc., I'll come back, and yeah, the other things I'll do, I'll check do an alignment on it as well, and I won't show that because I mean, you've seen that before, but I will come back afterwards and see you know, if we've improved the reception. Wow, don't drop that. Look at that. Oh God. Anyway, I'll fix that back soon. Well, here it is, guys. It's all done, and only had to change a few resistors. The rest were just in spec, and I thought just leave them there. I know I've said otherwise about changing them all, but in this case, no, they were just spot on. And I'm listening to one of my favourite stations on the high end of the band. Let's go to the low end. So it's working well. Working very well. And did an alignment on it. In fact, it didn't really need much aligning. It was very, very close. So it's all done. What else have I done? I've put in a
of some sort, but he wasn't.
an aerial extension, because I mean, yeah, like the little ferrite rod works okay, but you know, I'll probably have it on. I'm going to probably put it on my windowsill in the kitchen, and why not give it more sun? And I've got an antenna down there, so I can pick up the weak stations a lot better than what that little rod could. Other than that, it's done. So I'm going to get it back in its case, and I've just got to wait for the glue to dry on the face. Oh, there we are. On the fascia, those little screw joints, they'd been broken off. So I've super glued all those in, and I'll let them sit until, well, tomorrow. And then put this on and show it to you again. And anyway, so that's all done. It's all good. I'm going to leave the original power cord in it because there's nothing wrong with it. And let me turn that down. Oh, it is down. Oh, well. No, anyway, again, thanks guys for helping me, convincing me to not scrap it, and I'm pleased with it. So, yeah, nice little radio for the windowsill, I guess, you know, in the kitchen. Anyway, I'll be back soon with the finished result. Right, this is just an intermission before I finish up with that Newscaster. I pulled my little Hotpoint out, and I just powered it up, and the signal was just popping in and out. You know, I'm touching it and losing the signal, gaining it again. So I thought, oh, bugger this. What have I done wrong? Something's loose in there. And I've been poking around for 5 minutes, and I finally found it. And I'm going to try and zoom in.
Your unofficial history of Lunar New Year in a moment. And Foodie Tuesday calling for Lunar New Year with Tony Dan coming up. James in Bandura has this.
Right there. Watch.
Lunar.
Poor soldering on my part.
We have a 2.5-year-old who has.
I did solder it, but not very well, and I didn't do a hook on it. So I just wanted to show that. In my defence, no defence at all. This was one of the very first radios I did, and I think I'm just slack. So I just wanted to show that, you know, because we all make mistakes, and that's why I guess, look, it's important why we hook them, get what does Terry Dayton call it? A mechanical join, and then solder that. So there's my little bugger up or stuff up from roughly a year and a half ago. So I just thought it'd be of interest. Right, see you soon. Alright, it's done. The Newscaster is going to stay in one piece and provide hopefully years and years of service.
Getting rid of cigarettes.
Anyway, the reception is great. It's just running on its own internal antenna, and of course, just move it around and you lose signal a bit.
Awareness World Cancer Day happening on the 4th of February.
What I am missing off it is, I'm just trying to find the station, I should stay on 3LO, is the gold little decal that would sit in there, and there was a bolt at the end of it, and you'd screw it in, and that would spread out the little plastic fins there and hold the dial in place. But, you know, I don't have one, so I've just put some dabs of, small dabs of super glue on 3 points, and that shouldn't be too hard to take off should I need to in past. And what I did do, to one of my regular viewers, the Master, hello there Master, recommended that I look at a video by David Tipton, who, I'm not sure how long ago, he restored one of these. David does excellent work, and he's an absolute guru with radios, so he's also worthwhile watching. David's down here in Australia as well. What else have I done with this? Well, I couldn't help myself, and where are we? Let's listen to where is he? Oh, no, I've lost it. There we go. I like this one. The Shadow. Yeah, who knows?
Shadow knows.
You know. Good old Shadow. And what I did do, because this is just a solid plastic case, and there was no place for me to put the switch and the plug. So yes, I did the unthinkable. I drilled 2 holes in the back of the case. Now I would never do that with Bakelite, and I've done it with this one. Oh, well, I will never do it with Bakelite, and I'll never do it with a radio that's worth a lot of money, put it that way. But this one, again, mass-produced, tens of thousands of them out there, and they're still out there, and we'll come across these until well after we're dead, believe me. Oh, well, we won't come across them, but other people will. So that's it, and I hope you'll forgive me for drilling holes, but anyway, I thought it just needed that little bit of extra oomph in it, and that's it. So again, thanks guys for watching. Thank you for your input and telling me not to scrap it, and I'm glad I didn't scrap it. So I will be back next time, soon I guess, in a couple of days, and we'll have either a radio or looking at maybe a bit of test equipment. So if I pick that up, I'll be working on that. So I will see you soon, and take care and have fun.